So you finally decided you wanted to make money by creating YouTube Shorts. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Everywhere we look, you see creators making money from reposting other people's content. But how? I'm going to show you how you can do the same and start earning from YouTube Shorts without worrying about copyright strikes or your account being taken down. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and find a video that is doing well. We can do so by using the vidIQ Google Chrome extension. This will show us all the data we need to see to find a video that is doing well. Once we found the video we want to use as our YouTube Shorts video, we can copy the link and head over to keepvid.id to download our video. Paste the link into Keepvid and hit the Go button to begin downloading your video. I've already downloaded the video, so I will skip this part. Now that we have our video, head over to vid.io and create yourself a free account. Once you've created your account, head over to Create Project. Once the page loads, select Upload a File and upload the video we just downloaded. When your video finishes uploading, you will see your editing timeline at the bottom. Before we do any editing, head over to Settings in the top left corner, then select Size and change your size to YouTube Shorts. Now we can begin editing our video. Edit your video how you would like it to be. In my case, I found a portion in the video that I found funny, which was Creed spelling business wrong. Now I am ready to add subtitles. Luckily, vid.io makes it very easy to add subtitles. All you have to do is click Subtitles in the left-hand menu and click Auto Transcribe. This will generate subtitles for your clip. It might not be perfect, so make sure you double-check by checking the subtitles and fixing the mistakes. Once you fix those mistakes, you can then edit the style of the subtitles by clicking Styles while still in the subtitle panel. Find a style that best suits your video. We are now ready to export our video. To export our video, head over to the Done button at the top right corner and select Export Video. Let the video render, then click the download icon and click MP4. Let the video finish downloading. We found our clip, edited the clip, and have added subtitles. Now it's time to upload our video. Head back over to YouTube and upload your clip. For the title of our video, we are going to use ChatGPT to get an AI-generated title. ChatGPT requires you to create an account. Once you do, ask it to create you a YouTube title for your YouTube video. After it generates the title, copy it and paste it as your YouTube video title. Our YouTube video title is set. Now it's time to add our description. For this part, explain what's going on in the video. Make sure to add hashtags as well to help increase visibility of the video. vidIQ is a great tool that will also help you with your hashtags. It provides you a ranking right next to the hashtag so you can get a better understanding and know if the hashtag is good. We got all of our settings set. We are now ready to upload. I hope this video helps you grow your channel so you can become a successful creator. If you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button. Comment below if there's any questions you would like us to answer. Thanks for watching.